to smaller, bigger to smaller. If you panic in the exam, best way to check after 1 is 2. In standard 1, they told you after 1 is 2. If you make a mistake and after 1 is 9, that means your mathematics is wrong, so it's wrong. Okay? So after 1 is 2. Okay, remember this. I'll get the same paper for exam. I request for the same paper. That's why I wanted you to use the same green paper. But for precaution's sake, check numbering because some manufacturers number it down instead of up. Okay, for precaution's sake, please check.
So it can be either up or down.
It can be either up or down. Make sure after 1 is 2. Okay? Alright, after 1 is 2. This is magnitude. This is phase. This is frequency.
Okay. Sorry, bro.
You must be paying me some commission for taking it.
Dr. Ariwa said copy is right.
Okay. Okay, now. Whose one is this? I'm going to Chonteng, huh? Okay. And you don't have a choice here. Obviously, you don't mind. Okay. We're going to do, always I told you, these two valid for all frequency, all these two will be combined together. And you know very well, I've repeated this many times in graph, combination of these two at 1 will be 29.5. At 0.1 will be what? 49.5. At 0.01 will be 69.5. If this was 26, this one at 1 will be 26, at 0.46 and so forth. Okay, same. Okay, and you know very well all the sum of slope is minus. You need more down than up. So draw enough to cover whatever you need. Check the frequencies. The smallest frequency in both this graph is 0.2. So you must at least start with 0.1. 0.1, 1, 10, 100, 1000. So this is 60. Why am I doing up to 60 enough? Because I only need 49.5 because I'm starting from 0. So this is 40, this is 20, this is 0. Do not change this because it's the easiest number. One small box is 2. This whole thing is 20, 40, 60. Easiest. Okay? Minus 20, minus 40, minus 60. At 0, it's minus 180. Why minus 180? I'll tell you on Wednesday. But currently, just accept what I'm saying. Okay? No questions asked. Okay? 0, no lah. 0 minus 180, minus 90, 0, minus 270, minus 360. Okay? Label your graphs ready? Happy? Okay. Okay, now. Okay, plus happy? At 1, what is supposed to be the value? 29.5. Yeah. At 0.1, 49.5, which is here. You have to label these 2 points first. This will give you the combination of graph. You cannot see. Please wait for the next turn. Please don't crowd. I don't want anyone to faint here. Okay, at 1, 29.5, at 0.1, 49.5. This is already giving me my combination of these two, correct? Okay, draw straight line. Straight line is straight. Where does the slope change? 2. So you draw straight line up to 2, then you stop. Where is 2? If this is 1, the next 2 you see is 2. If this is 10, 20, 100, 200, 1000, 2000. Okay? 2. Okay, what happens at 2? At 2, the slope became minus 40 per decade. So you go 1 decade. 1 decade means to the next 2, straight 1 decade. Okay, this one is what you must be a bit smart. Every time, remember, slope is per decade. Every time you must go per decade first. Every time you must go per decade first. Minus means go down, plus means go up. Okay, you know one small box is 2 dB. I need 40 means I need 20 small boxes, correct? Either you can count 20 small boxes from here, or you can be smart enough. This is 20, this is 40. I have 1.5 boxes here. I go up 1.5 box. Okay? Connect these two points. Remember, per decade and then slope. This is giving you 40 dB per decade. Connect these 2 points. Remember to connect these 2 points. But you don't draw fully because at 4, it starts to change. So you connect the 2 points but stop your drawing at
4.
4. Okay? It's just that you stop your drawing at 4. Okay? At 4, what happened? What you must do now? Again, go 1 decade. The next 4.
60.
Minus 60 count. I'm not going to show you. Connect these 2 points. Draw, but you stop at 8. After 8, again go 1 decade. Go down minus 40. But after 8, you don't stop anywhere. You just keep go down.
Okay.
Are you clear with that?
Yes.
Okay. If the question does not have this line, it means there's no j omega in your question, what will change in this graph?
The starting point.
The starting point won't be a slope, but will be a constant straight line of 29.5. Then at 2 it will slope, but it won't slope minus 40, it will only slope minus 20 because this line is not there. Understand? No j omega, your starting point would not be a slope, but will be a constant straight line. Clear with that? Okay. Next is my face. Next is my face angle, okay? Face, j omega minus 1 indicates constant is 0, j omega minus 1's angle is minus 90, add together will give you minus 90. So you start at minus 90, this is not Javi, you see here but you draw here, okay, you don't draw the side. Okay, minus 90. But there is no j omega, you start at 0. Got j omega minus 90? No j omega? 0. Okay, constant straight line up to 0.2. What happens at 0.2? It starts to slope. You always have to see some, you always have to see. Minus 45 degrees per decade. Again, the rule of thumb is you must go per decade. 2 per decade of per decade of 2 is 20. Okay, now 10 small boxes is 90 degrees. 1 small box is 9. I have shifted this scale upside down. So my minus slope will go up, my plus slope will go down. Okay, for face, minus slope will go up, plus slope will go up. So I go up 5 small boxes. Why 5 small boxes? 45. 1 is 9. Again, do the same, exact same thing. You connect these 2 points, but you stop at 0.4. Okay, what do you do at 0.4? Okay, I cannot see very well, I'm getting old. Okay, at 0.4 again, you go 1 decade, the next 4, go up 10 small boxes, correct? Connect these 2 points, but you stop at 0.8. Again, 0.8, go 1 decade, go up 5 boxes. 0.8, you must be careful. 0.8 is somewhere here. The per decade of 0.8 is somewhere here. After you draw, I didn't draw the fully. And then you go up 5 boxes. It stops here, but the frequency only changes at 20. Don't worry, straight line graphs, if you draw straight, it's still the same slope. So just draw the straight line up to 20. At 20, is there a slope?
No.
That means it's a straight line up to 40. 40 plus slope goes down. Or the rule of thumb is you just have to remember, you must calculate per decade, then only goes down. The solution is already in your notes. Check and see and make sure you know how to draw. Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. For the face paper, right, the line can be